Now let's take a closer look at each one of these leaderboards. Most people will go to the text arena and they'll just look at the overall leaderboard. And this is quite helpful because it's the closest version of the leaderboard that you get to our overall day-to-day experience with a lot of the LLMs, such as ChatGPT or Google Gemini, where you just put in a text prompt and you get a text response. Also, to understand how LLMs perform better, you can go into the drop-down and see the different subcategories of how we've categorized these prompts. And you get individual leaderboards for that, such as, for example, if you care about creative writing, then you can go into that leaderboard and see how the different models rank there. Or if you care about expert prompts, then you can select that and see what the rankings are for the hardest prompts that the users have put forward. If you want to understand how the different models perform on coding, I would highly recommend going to the code arena, where you can see the rankings. The way the rankings are generated is the user puts in the prompt. It could be for a website or could be some app they want to build, and then they get 2 responses presented to them, and they can select out of actual developed apps which app they like better. And so that gives us really strong signal, and you can really rely on these ratings to understand which models perform the best. Then we've got vision. The best way of thinking about the vision arena is that if you need a model to understand something visual, such as a screenshot or a photo of something, then you really should be using the vision arena to see which models perform best at that. So, for example, it could be that you want to get some advice of how to deal with a particular problem around the house, so you can take a picture of that and send it to the arena. Or it could be some complex screenshot of a lot of data that you want the model to scrape and then use that for your task. So this is a really useful way to understand what kind of models perform well at these tasks. For images, you've got text to image and image edit arenas. And the way it works is that for text to image is that you can put in a text prompt and you get 2 images out, and then you pick which one is best. And for image edit arena, you can upload a existing photo, and then you can generate an image based off of that. So it could be a photo of your pet or of your friend, and then you can create something based off that. So the way the search arena works is that apart from just getting the response that the LLM normally provides, the models also go out and search the internet to help you with the response. So that way you can also get a feel for what kind of models don't just have the best quality of the response naturally, but also which ones search the internet the best. Then for the video arena, we've got 2 versions here. We've got text to video and we've got image to video. And for the text to video, you need to put in a text prompt and you get 2 videos out and you pick which one is best. And then for the image to video, you would start with an image, you upload that to the arena, and then you get 2 videos that use that starting image as your first frame of that video alongside your text instructions. Mostly people go to the text arena and just look at the overall rating, and they think that tells them everything. And quite rightly, sometimes people think, well, my favorite model is very good in coding and maybe it's ranked 4th or 5th on the overall text arena. So the best thing you can do is to look around through different arenas, and that way you can get much better sense for what kind of things different models are capable of.